Hi everybody, today I'll show you how you can make probability plays or trials in the TI-48 plus calculator. It also works on the calculator TI-83 and 82. So at first you go into apps, then you press 0, but you can also scroll down and you see that prob sim, there are lots of things, but usually I let it be and press just on 0, and then on the probability simulation you press any key like it's written, and then you can choose what you want to do. For example, roll dice, so you press 2, and here are the standard settings. And to roll, press on window, so we roll the dice, and now we got 4. And you can, after that you can roll it once or 10 times or even 50 times. And that takes a little time. If it's too long for you, you can stop it pressing on, and then it breaks. And you can see how the frequencies. So 1 was 15 times, 2 10 times, 3 9 times, 4 8 times, 5 9 times, 8 6 times. And you can clear what you've done, and to escape you can go to the settings. So you can choose how much trials they do, the dice or the dice. But if you let 1, you can choose between 1, 10 and 50. You can choose the amount of dice, so for example 2, and you can choose the amount of sides, for example 8, and then you press OK, and you can roll the dice, both dice, and I got 16. You can't see all numbers because they are too much, but here is the biggest one you could have. It was just lucky, but you can see that the probability wouldn't be the same like before, because there are 2 dices, so most time they are around 12 or a bit less, or less, 8 mostly. So I can show you with the setting, for example 100 times, and then press OK. You can choose if you want to clear the table or not, and I put yes. If you change the amount of dice or sides, you have to clear the table. So when I roll, it will make 100 times the same. And now you see that probability isn't equal, so around 8 they are the most. 8 should have the most ones, like you can see. There's a bit different with the size. That can happen when you haven't enough trials, or like this, the 9 has the same amount, nearly the same amount, but you see the frequency of 2 is only once, 8 14, and it goes down to the side, and 16 is once. That can happen that, for example, 15 has more trials than 14, but that is always like this when you start with of the North Charts. So that's not all. You can escape to go back, for example to pick marbles. So then there are ladders, and it's the same as before. And there are other possibilities. So you can try a lot of things. You have 6 options. You can have random numbers, and here it's like a spinner. It's like in the lottery a bit, it looks like, but I let you try yourself. I took it to press here and yes. So I hope this video you enjoyed this video, and say bye.